Around the world, energy demand is soaring. From resource-hungry AI computing to the electrification of transport and industrial growth. Power utilities are now under increased pressure to provide the answers. To meet these challenges, you must embrace a new paradigm, one that allows you to dramatically increase the speed at which you are able to deliver projects, but without sacrificing your organization's commitment to quality and to comply with regulations. Leveraging over 30 years of experience, Idox provides industry-ready templates that ensure audit compliance, embedded best practice, and support of fast configurations and deployment of our solutions. This, along with the ability to support customization, will allow you to produce a solution that not only enforces compliance with industry norms, such as NERC, FERC, NRC, and many others, but also meets your organization's specific document management needs. With our next-generation EDMS solutions, exploit the power of cloud computing, hybrid or on-premise deployments, to extend your enterprise system to support digital online supply integration and collaboration. Make external interactions easy and the tracking of contractual obligations efficient and secure, whilst seamlessly facilitating the management and tracking of engineering deliverables and associated audit actions. Collaborate seamlessly in the cloud and improve efficiency using our integrated collaboration tools for viewing and reviewing your engineering deliverables and documentation. Facilitate supply chain and interdiscipline collaboration and enhance your management of change process, providing a centralized single version of the truth. Leverage the power of AI to transform your regulatory compliance, enhance adherence to regulations in everyday activities, and ensure accurate, efficient adoption and integration of changes and regulations with minimal stress. To find out more, speak to an advisor today or visit us at www.idoxgroup.com.